What a spectacular view. It's an absolutely beautiful night.
Driving through the night, the stars are shining bright, heading back.
What a spectacular view. It's an absolutely beautiful night.
Welcome back to U.S. Army Zone, your ultimate destination for everything related to high-end vehicles, innovations, and motorhome reviews. If you love exploring the latest in automotive technology and luxury travel, you are in the right place. Today we are diving deep into one of the most luxurious motorhomes of 2026, the Entegra Coach Reatta XL. This vehicle combines ultimate comfort, advanced technology, and powerful performance, designed for travelers who demand both style and functionality. From its design and interiors to its driving experience and features, we are going to cover everything you need to know about this top-of-the-line motorhome. The Entegra Coach Reatta XL has made a remarkable impression on the market with its outstanding combination of space, design, and utility. For those who enjoy long journeys or simply love traveling with the convenience of home-like comfort, the Reatta XL provides an unmatched experience. Right from the first glance, you notice its sleek exterior design which balances aerodynamics with a visually appealing aesthetic. The bold lines and contemporary styling ensure that it stands out on highways while maintaining a sophisticated presence. It is not just a motorhome, but a statement of luxury and engineering excellence. One of the first things you will notice about the 2026 Reatta XL is its size and layout. It offers a generous floor plan that maximizes living space without compromising maneuverability. Unlike traditional motorhomes that may feel cramped or bulky, the Reatta XL feels open and spacious thanks to its smart design. Multiple slide-outs expand the living area, making it perfect for families or groups who need room for relaxation, dining, and entertainment. Every inch of the interior has been carefully planned to provide comfort, convenience, and practicality. The cockpit of the Reatta XL is a combination of technology and comfort. The driver's area features a modern dashboard with high-resolution digital displays, offering easy access to navigation, vehicle diagnostics, and entertainment controls. Ergonomically designed seats ensure long-distance drives are comfortable and reduce fatigue. Additionally, advanced driver assistance features enhance safety and ease of driving. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, and collision mitigation systems make handling such a large vehicle feel intuitive and secure, even on busy highways or unfamiliar terrain. Moving to the living quarters, the Reatta XL continues to impress. The interior design is luxurious and stylish, featuring premium materials such as solid surface countertops, high-quality cabinetry, and soft-touch surfaces throughout. The living area includes a comfortable sofa and reclining chairs that offer both relaxation and functionality. The entertainment system is state-of-the-art, often including a large flat-screen television, surround sound, and multiple connectivity options, allowing you to stream content or enjoy your favorite movies while on the road. Ambient lighting enhances the atmosphere, and large panoramic windows ensure you never miss the scenic views outside. For those who love cooking while traveling, the Reatta XL offers a fully equipped kitchen with modern appliances. High-capacity refrigerators, microwave ovens, induction cooktops, and convection ovens provide everything you need to prepare meals with ease. Storage is plentiful, with well-organized cabinets and drawers for kitchenware and groceries. Additionally, some models include an optional pantry and wine storage, giving the feel of a home kitchen in a mobile setting. The attention to detail in design ensures that cooking, cleaning, and dining are convenient and enjoyable. The sleeping arrangements in the Reatta XL are equally impressive. The master bedroom offers a king-size bed, premium mattress, and ample storage options including wardrobes and overhead compartments. Many models feature slide-out sections to further enhance the bedroom space. The bedroom also often includes its own entertainment options and private climate controls, allowing you to create a personalized environment for rest. Guest sleeping areas, such as convertible sofas or additional bunks, ensure that larger families or groups have enough space to sleep comfortably without feeling crowded. The bathroom and sanitation facilities in the Reatta XL have been designed to provide the luxury and convenience of a high-end home. Spacious bathrooms feature large showers with glass doors, high-quality fixtures, and modern vanities with solid surface countertops. Some models include multiple bathrooms, ensuring convenience for families and guests. Advanced water management systems and tank monitoring ensure that water supply and waste handling are efficient and hygienic, so you can enjoy your journey without unnecessary concerns. Technology integration in the Reatta XL is comprehensive and designed to simplify travel. From advanced climate control systems to smart lighting and automated shades, the motorhome makes everyday tasks easier. Many models include central control panels or smartphone apps to monitor and manage lighting, temperature, and security remotely. Integrated Wi-Fi systems and satellite connectivity ensure that you stay connected, making this motorhome ideal for work or leisure on the go. The combination of smart technology and high-quality construction enhances convenience while traveling. In terms of performance, the 2026 Reatta XL is engineered to provide a smooth and powerful driving experience. It comes with a robust engine capable of delivering strong acceleration and reliable handling, even with the full weight of a fully loaded vehicle. The suspension system is designed to provide stability and comfort, minimizing bumps and vibrations on various types of terrain. Additionally, the Reatta XL offers excellent maneuverability for a vehicle of its size, making it easier to navigate through tight spaces, campgrounds, or urban areas without compromising safety or comfort. Storage capacity is another area where the Reatta XL excels. Exterior storage compartments provide ample space for luggage, outdoor equipment, and recreational gear, keeping the living area uncluttered. Interior storage solutions include cabinets, drawers, closets, and hidden compartments, all designed for convenience and accessibility. Whether you are planning a weekend getaway or a long-term road trip, the Reatta XL offers sufficient space for all your belongings without compromising on comfort or style. Safety features in the Reatta XL are extensive, reflecting Entegra Coach's commitment to passenger protection. In addition to advanced driver assistance systems, the vehicle includes high-strength construction, multiple airbags, traction and stability control systems, and sophisticated braking technology. LED lighting ensures visibility during night travel, and the robust chassis design enhances stability and crash protection. With these features, drivers and passengers can enjoy peace of mind while exploring new destinations. The Reatta XL is also highly customizable. Buyers have a wide range of options when it comes to interior finishes, upholstery, flooring, and technological upgrades. Optional features such as solar panels, advanced audio systems, luxury seating packages, and exterior awnings allow owners to tailor the motorhome to their specific preferences and lifestyle. This flexibility ensures that every Reatta XL can reflect the personality and needs of its owner while maintaining the highest standards of quality and performance. Fuel efficiency and eco-conscious design are increasingly important in motorhome travel, and the 2026 Reatta XL addresses these concerns. With improved engine technology, aerodynamic design, and energy-efficient systems, this motorhome optimizes fuel consumption while delivering performance and comfort. Additionally, some models include energy-saving features such as LED lighting, low-power appliances, and efficient climate control systems, reducing environmental impact while on the road. When it comes to outdoor enjoyment, the Reatta XL is well equipped to enhance your travel experience. Exterior features often include retractable awnings, outdoor entertainment systems, and outdoor kitchens or grills, providing opportunities to relax, dine, and socialize outside the vehicle. Large windows and roof vents ensure ventilation and natural light, while optional exterior lighting allows for evening gatherings or nighttime activities. These features make the motorhome not just a mode of transport, but a mobile retreat where you can enjoy the comforts of home anywhere. The 2026 Entegra Coach Reatta XL is not just about luxury and comfort, it also focuses on connectivity and entertainment. Modern motorhomes often include integrated media centers with satellite TV, streaming options, Bluetooth connectivity, and multiple USB ports for charging devices. These systems allow you to stay connected, enjoy entertainment, and maintain productivity while traveling, catering to the needs of modern travelers who want both leisure and functionality in their journeys.
What a spectacular
Maintenance
view.
and reliability
It's an
are
absolutely
essential
beautiful
considerations for any motorhome owner, and the Reatta XL excels in this regard. Entegra Coach has a reputation for using high-quality materials and advanced engineering practices to ensure durability and long-term performance. Regular maintenance is straightforward, and the availability of support networks, dealerships, and service centers provides peace of mind for owners. Every component, from engines to interior fixtures, is designed to withstand the rigors of extended travel, ensuring that the Reatta XL remains a reliable companion on the road. Comfort and luxury extend to every corner of the Reatta XL. From plush seating and high-quality flooring to sound insulation and climate control, every aspect of the motorhome is designed with the traveler's comfort in mind. Whether you are lounging in the living room, cooking in the kitchen, or resting in the bedroom, the environment feels spacious, inviting, and modern. The integration of technology enhances convenience without compromising the sense of warmth and homeliness that makes the Reatta XL feel like a true home away from home. One of the standout features of the Reatta XL is its adaptability.
What a spectacular view.
Whether
It's
you
an
are a solo
absolutely
traveler,
beautiful
a
night.
couple, or a family, this motorhome can accommodate a variety of lifestyles and travel needs. Flexible layouts, modular furniture, and innovative storage solutions allow owners to adjust the interior space according to their preferences. This versatility ensures that every journey is comfortable, whether it is a short weekend trip or an extended road adventure across the country. In conclusion, the 2026 Entegra Coach Reatta XL represents the pinnacle of luxury motor